Hello everyone, it's nice to have you all back here. Well, for some time now I haven't been able to make some videos, and certainly I was distracted by some other activities, but here I am now, and today we're going to be making a very interesting video. So for today's lectures, we're going to learn how to enable swipe navigation on our device. So I use this my device here is a Samsung Note 10, and if you notice, we have the button navigation here where we can actually navigate using the button. So if you click here is to go back, here is to come to the home, and if you click here is to navigate, is to open various apps that we just minimized on, and we can click here to go back home. But the swipe navigation or the swipe gesture actually works like this. You can actually slide to the left from the right side of the phone, and then you can go back same from here. And when you do this, if you do this, it brings you, you swipe at this point, it takes you back to the home screen. So for us to be able to do that, we have to follow the steps. So the first thing we have to do, go to the menu section, and then we look for settings. Okay, we should have, yeah, we have the settings here. So we click on settings. Now when we click on settings, we then scroll and look for display. So we're going to look for display. Okay, so we have display here. So you click on display, and when you click on display, the next thing you should be looking for is navigation bar. So we have our navigation bar here. So if you click on navigation bar, if you notice, it's on the button navigation, as you can see. So the navigation type is buttons, so we're going to change it to swipe gesture. So we just have to click here, but just a small take away. For if you notice, my when it's on the button button navigation type, my back button was at this point, and most of us won't want it to be like that, so you just have to change it from here. If you click here now, you notice that it will change, you get that. So then if you want to change to the swipe gesture, you just click on this. So if you observe, if you notice the preview here, you see the function here when you take it up, when you take it right and left. So you're just going to go back in that manner. So after this, thereafter, we can decide to go back. Now, and if you notice, if you do this, if you go to the menu section now, if you take it like this, it's going to go back. If you take it like this, it's going to go back. And as well, this one is just take it. If you swipe like this, it's going to go to, if you swipe it this way, it's going to take you back to the home. And if you want to minimize, you just do this, and you see it right here. It's as easy as this. So this is how you can actually change to the swipe navigation, swipe gesture navigation type on your device. I believe this same pattern, it's the same setting for most Samsung phones. Well, I think it's also going to be something similar for other Android phones. So I want to believe you just learned something, and if you did and you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. And if you want to get notified about more content I create later, just click on the notification bell. Thanks, and do have a nice day.